Join me as I put these e-bike hacks to the test and see if you can actually make your daily commute faster. Using an e-bike for your daily commute can be a total game changer. Not only is it an eco-friendly alternative to driving or taking public transportation, but it also gives you the freedom to avoid traffic jams and get some exercise at the same time. We all know how frustrating commuting can be. You're stuck in traffic, crawling along at a snail's pace, and you just can't seem to get anywhere. Or you're on the public transportation and it's delayed again. It's so annoying. I mean, who hasn't been there, right? You're running late for work and you're already stressed out before the day has even begun. And then there's the added worry of traffic congestion, road closures, or construction. It's not just the time you're wasting sitting in traffic or waiting for public transportation that gets to you. It's also the impact it has on your state of mind. Feeling trapped and helpless can be really demotivating. You just feel like you're going through the motions without any control over your own life, and that's where the e-bike comes in. It can be a liberating experience. So commuting can be a real hassle, and I'm sure we can all relate to the feeling of being stuck in traffic or on a crowded bus. But what if I told you there's ways to make your e-bike commute even faster and more efficient? One of the simplest hacks is plan your route ahead of time. This might mean taking a few extra minutes to map out your journey, avoiding busy roads and road construction. You can use a map app like Google Maps to find the best real-time route. Google Maps, in my opinion, is the best e-bike route planner with real-time traffic and construction information. Another hack is to keep your e-bike well-maintained. A well-maintained bike can make a huge difference in your commute time. Regularly check your tire pressure, oil your chain, and make sure your brakes are functioning properly. And most important, start with a 100% charged battery. You should also consider investing in a good quality lock to protect your bike from theft. One hack that can really make a big difference is using the correct pedal assist mode and/or allowing coasting depending on the terrain you're riding on. For example, if you're riding uphill, use a lower gear to make it easier on yourself if you're in torque mode. And if you're riding downhill, allow your e-bike to freewheel coast and to pick up some speed beyond what your e-bike normally provides. Not allowing your bike to coast is wasting free power and speed provided by gravity. It's all about being mindful of your surroundings and adjusting your ride accordingly. I've got a friend who uses an e-bike to commute to work every day, and he's always looking for ways to optimize his route. He uses a combination of bike lanes and side streets to avoid traffic, and has even installed a special rack on his bike to carry his laptop and lunch. As a result, he's been able to shave off a significant amount of time from his daily commute. The most impactful hack I've found is using bike lanes and designated e-bike paths. These lanes and paths are specifically designed for cyclists so you can ride safely and quickly. Taking a bike lane means you're able to ride at a much faster pace and even get to enjoy the scenery along the way. But don't forget the quiet side streets that your map app may be ignoring, and that might give you a more safe and direct route. In summary, we've covered some simple yet effective hacks to make your e-bike commute faster and more efficient. From planning your route and maintaining your bike, to using the right gear and taking advantage of bike lanes and side streets. These hacks can make a big difference in your daily commute. If you've got any e-bike hacks of your own, I'd love to hear about them in the comments below. And if you're interested in learning more about e-bikes and accessories, be sure to check out the next video right here. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.